Instagram's just dropped this brand new update and it's ruining the grid on your feed. Have you noticed? Keep watching because this month's Instagram update is packed with a lot of features that you don't want to miss. Hey there, my name is Yaz from the Smashballoon team. We're the creators behind the best social feed plugins for WordPress. In this video, we're going to be diving into the latest updates from Instagram, including the new grid, their new editing app, and more. If you want to stay on top of your Instagram strategy, this video is for you. Let's start with the biggest news. Instagram's square profile grid is no more. They've rolled out this brand new 4x5 rectangular grid format that's giving your profile a new look, but not everyone's happy about it. Creators that have curated their feed for a square grid are looking at a tough time. When you're creating any new image post for Instagram, make sure it's in the 4x5 size rather than a square. This way your posts end up looking great on the new profile grid. Next up, Instagram's announced their brand new short-form video editing app called Edits. It's an amazing new tool for creators with AI animations, captions, and a bunch of other features to make your content creation process a breeze. It's clearly Meta's answer to TikTok's popular video editing app called CapCut, so make sure to watch this space and try out Edits when it comes out. And oh, Reels just got better too. Instagram has now increased the maximum reel length to 3 minutes, giving you more time for storytelling and creativity. Whether you're creating vlogs or tutorials or capturing behind the scenes, this is a big win for long-form video creators. You can take advantage of these longer reels by creating in-depth tutorials or mini-series to keep your audience watching for longer. And while we're on the topic of displaying your best content, let me tell you about the Smashballoon Instagram Feed Pro plugin. It lets you display your Instagram feed on your WordPress website in fast and responsive feeds just like this one. It's fast, customizable, and perfect for showing off your latest reels and posts on your website. You can check it out on smashballoon.com. And last but not least, Instagram is testing out a brand new feature called Trial Reels. Basically, it allows you to share your reels with non-followers first and gauge the interest before showing that reel to your main audience. You can use Trial Reels to try out new topics, different ideas, and if it's working, you can push them to your audience for maximum impact. And there you have it, those are the latest updates to Instagram. Comment down below and let me know which feature you're most excited for. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking on our logo over here for more social media marketing tips. And if you want to learn how to embed a fast and responsive Instagram feed on your site, click on this video. And if you want to schedule Instagram posts from your WordPress website, check out this video here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.